my mask on, so we're safe. What's up everyone? Welcome to Marty Motoring. I am here in Orlando, Florida for work. I was here this week and now I'm here an extra day on the weekend, and I was notified by an Instagram follower of a car show in the area. So while I'm here for the extra day, we're gonna go check it out. It's probably a lot of stance, bagged vehicles, slam stuff, a lot of Lexus. Let's go check it out and see what it's all about, and kind of see some of the sights here in Florida. As you might know, I live in Pennsylvania, so anytime I travel out of state, I try to meet up with somebody from that area that I know either through Instagram or YouTube. So let's go. So we just got to the Fun Spot America Park, and there's a bunch of cars, so let's go check them out and meet up with some people and have a good time. Got some McDonald's in the 4th gen, going off-road in the McDonald's parking lot. What's up?
Let me put my mask on, bro.
Oh yeah, dude.
6 feet. 6 feet.
Yeah, just bring the whole thing.
After lunch, it's time to walk around.
So I just went to the park and it was an awesome time, super fun. Big thanks to Jamie for driving me there, and back to my hotel. It's been a cool little trip here. Now it's time to go edit this video and then head home tomorrow. So Florida car scene, pretty cool, pretty interesting. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, keep those wheels turning.